Dear children, today we have to learn standard 10 subject social science chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is India's heritage of the science and technology. Dear children, our next topic is mathematics. Mathematics it means Ganit Shastra. Many epochs making mathematical discovery were considered to be the made in India. What happened there, dear children? We can say that in the ancient time the mathematical discovery were considered to be the made in India, through which the contemporary the global affair and carries out the gift of India to the world are discovery of the zero. What happened there, dear children? The discoveries of India has given the gift of zero to the world. After they also say that the India is the world at discoveries of zero, decimal system, algebra, theorem of Bodhgyan, geometry, arithmetic. Aryabhatta discovered the zero. Who discovered the zero, dear children? Then we can say that Aryabhatta discovered the zero by the same the process of writing zero. What they have given the dear children? The process of writing a zero after the figure they have to discover, and that's why after the discover the said name Grutzmada, the ancient of Indian mathematician have decided the name of the number made up by placing the 53 zero after the one. How much you have to write down the 53 zero after the one. Decimal system had been seen on the measuring and the weight of the instrument. What happened there, dear children? The decimal system had been seen on the measuring and the weight of the instrument, which had been found from the remains of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. It had been acknowledged by, and that's why they have to be given that, and these things are to be the acknowledged by the Meth-Tithi during the ancient time. What happened there? Meth-Tithi during the ancient time. After the Bhaskaracharya has written the book, and this book was Lilavati Ganitam and the Bij Ganit in 1150s AD. The Bhaskaracharya has written the book. Which are the two books? One is a Lilavati Ganit and second one is a Bij Ganita. He discovered the sign. He has also discovered the sign of the addition, subtraction. They also given this all the things. Brahmgupta introduced the types of the equation, and Bodhgyan discovered the theorem of the triangle policy. They have also given the they have also given the information that and that time the Apastha had decided the measurement of the sacrifice of the feats of the yagna way used for the Vedic yagna in the Shloka Sutras in 1800. It also conceals the analysis of the principle. Aryabhatta had mentioned the value of the pi. Aryabhatta has mentioned the value of the pi, and the pi's value is 22/7. Otherwise, you can write down 3.14. It also said that in this book, the Aryabhatiya, he also propounded that pi is a constant to show the ratio of the circumference and the diameter of the circle. Multiplication, addition, subtraction, square root, cube root, these all things are to be mentioned in Ashtam method introduced by the Aryabhatta in his work. Hence the Aryabhatta is known as the father of the mathematics. Dear children, who is the father of the mathematics? Then we can say that the Aryabhatta is known as the father of the mathematics. Moreover, he had written many other books like Das Gitika or Aryabhatiyam. He had described the main principle of astronomy in the short in this book, and this book is Arya Siddhanta. He found the solution of the fundamental of the mathematics. arithmetic and the geometry. Apart from this, the various aspects of mathematics have been discussed by many scholars in his book. Among them, the scholar like they have to given the name of the scholar Bodhayan, Apstam, Katyayan, Bhaskaracharya, Brahmgupta. These all things are to be included. After they have given the name of the other science. It means many books were written in the various science in the Asian India. Name of books as well as you have given the name of author. One chart they have to given. Just I am reading the name of book. First they have given about the Prajanan Shastra. After Chikitsa Sangrah. After Kam Sutra, Vruks Ayurved, Yog Shastra, Yantra Sarvastra, and Kal Garna. After they have given the name of author. First Prajanan Shastra was written by Brahya Panchala. Second, Chikitsa Sangrah was written by Chakrapani Datta. Third, Kam Sutra written by Vatsyayana. After Vruks Ayurved was written by Mahamuni Parashara. Yog Shastra was written by Maharshi Patanjali. Yantra Sarvasva was written by Maharshi Bhardwaja. And Kal Garna was written by Shak Muni. After, dear children, they have given about the next topic, and the next topic is astronomy and the astrology, Khagol Shastra and the Jyotish Shastra. The astronomy is the most ancient science. Which is the most ancient science, dear children? You can say that the astronomy. Astronomy, it means Khagol Shastra, is the most ancient science. Many granth related to the astronomy had been written in the India. An organized and deep study of astrology was made by Indian Asian University. And you know the very well name of the Asian University, Vallabhi, Nalanda, these all are the Asian University. Planets and their movements, constellation and other celestial objects were used for the calculating, through which the astrology and astronomy were developed remarkably, and that's why they have given the information. Predictions were made on the basis of the planetary movements. Aryabhat made a remarkable contribution in the field of the astronomy. Who is given the remarkable contribution in the field of the astronomy? Aryabhat made a remarkable contribution in the field of the astronomy. So, the first Indian satellite was named as Aryabhatta. What happened then, dear children? What is the name of the first Indian satellite? The first Indian satellite was named as Aryabhat on his name. It declared that the earth rotates on its axis. He proved that the basic reason for the lunar eclipse is the shadow of the earth, which was addressed by the Ajarva by the scholars. The same manner, Brahmgupta has also popularized the law of the gravitation in his book, and the book is Brahm Siddhanta. After they have given the information that Varamihir was the great astrologer and the astronomer who divided the astrology into three sections, Tantra, Hora and Samhita. This Granth name, they have given the name of the Grantha, and this Granth is Bruhad Samhita, give the information regarding the effect of the planet in the main future. Its characteristic, various classes of animal, the time of the marriage, pond, wells, garden, good omens for the sowing. We should feel the pride that our ancestors were expert in the various sciences. Next and last one, they were given about the information of the Vastu Shastra. Which one, dear children? Vastu Shastra. There is an immense contribution of the Asian India in the field of the Vastu Shastra. It is an inseparable part of the astrology. What happened that this is the one kind of the inseparable part of the astrology. Vastu Shastra of India being recognized and dignified and praised by the many countries of the world. What happened that, dear children, they have to say that the Vastu Shastra is recognized, dignified as well as the praised by the many countries of the world, and that's why they have given the name that Brahma, Narad, Gruhaspati, Bhrugu, Vasisht, Vishwakarma, These all are given the unique contribution in the field of the Vastu Shastra. They have propagated the principle of the construction of dwelling, temple, palaces, ashwashala, fort, storehouses of the amenities and the town planning. The description of the Vastu Shastra is mentioned in the different book, and the name of that book they have to given that Brihad Samhita. Rankumbha of the Meva revised the science in the 15th century after the improving the previous version of the Vastu Shastra. And according to the tradition of the belief, the Vishwakarma was the first architect of the god. Who is the first architect of the gods? Vishwakarma was the first architect of the god. It divided Vastu Shastra into the 8 sections. Vishwakarma was divided the Vastu Shastra into how many sections? Into 8 sections. Various information of Vastu Shastra like selection of place, shape, structure, proper planning of the things, temple, brahmasthan, dining room, bedroom, etc. are to be the mentioned into the Vastu Shastra. As the time passes, by changing and taking the place regarding the principle and understanding of the Vastu Shastra, now it is being adopted by the foreigner. Asian India's knowledge of the science have been accepted by the world. Dear children, that's why we can say that Asian India's knowledge in the field of science, technology, astronomy, astrology are accepted by the world. Indian culture is very vast and heterogeneous, and it is blending of the science, religious, traditional idol and the practical knowledge, which is really seen in the other countries of the world. Tolerance and the equality towards all religion is seen in our culture. In spite of having diversity in religion, lifestyle, the value we see the unity in our country. We should not forget that Indian culture reflects the unique feature of the unity in diversity, and that's why they have given that we cannot forget about that Indian culture reflects the unique features of unity in diversity. Thank you, dear children.